Reading is good. It provides you with significant number of benefits like mental stimulation, stress reduction, knowledge, vocabulary expansion, memory improvement, stronger analytical skills, improved focus and concentration, better writing skills and entertainment. It is a great thing for children to start reading at an early age because it really promotes mental health and broaden general knowledge. And it helps that you will never run out of reading materials. There are a lot of choices, a lot of genres that will suit your preference. There is the local library where you can go to and read for free, and there are many sources online where you can download ebooks. Before, the world only has published printed books and people love it. People love the smell of the paper and how it sounds each time you flip a page. Those were the days that you see people's nose in a book, serious, focused and entertained. Nowadays, what do you see? People seriously looking at their phone screens. Technology and mobility have influenced people's lives, including the way people read. Some of the book readers have now chosen a different type of book format, such as ebooks. Ebooks or electronic books are books in a digital format to be read on a computer, tablet or phone. With the technology today, you can choose which reading platform is best for you. E-books, of course, like printed books, have their own advantages, like it's easier to purchase because you can do it online. No trees were sacrificed for it to be produced. E-books take up less space compared to printed books, that you need a huge space to store them, and they are very portable, making it convenient especially when you are traveling. E-books have really become popular through the years. There are 20% of American bookworms that stated they have read more e-books than hard copy books. The ebook 2017 unit sales in the US